Hi, my name is Alex. I'm jet lagged and I wanted to take the time, not being able to sleep, to leave a quick review for Liberty Aid Academy and John McCaig. Before I found Liberty Aid, I had gone bankrupt. I had lost my job, started an LLC, which did well, and then sort of got humbled by my house I was renting got sold. So my wife and I bought a trailer, and yeah, it just was going through a pretty tough time. And then around that time, I really started going to church and really started listening to the Gospels of Jesus and the Bible. And um, then I had a friend who was sort of hearing what we're going through, and he said, there's probably a way, the way y'all are living your life, there's a method for being Christian and being able to essentially not pay taxes, your ministry work. So I started looking into it, and I found Martin Goldman with the Bulletproof Retirement School Group, which led me to finding John McCaig's Liberty Aid Academy. And this video is about the proof of it working. So I'm going to show some pictures of, basically, I set up the EIN as you recommended. That took about 5 minutes. And then the second step was getting the trust documents. Just filling that out took a couple minutes. Getting it notarized probably took 20 minutes. I took my wife, so it took longer. But she did her trust at the same time as me. Then the third step was getting the bank accounts, and as I'll show, I was able to open 3 accounts. One with Fidelity, that was a brokerage account that can also be used sort of like a checking account. They give you a debit card, they give you checks, super easy to open. Then I opened an account with Ally. That's another checking account. Worked for me. It didn't work for my wife for some reason, but I was able to open Ally, at least for me. Then the third was with Old Glory Bank, and that's another trust checking account. And I was able to open that both for my wife and I. So yeah, it was a very easy process. That just the practical part, setting it up. So yeah, just wanted to share that. And yeah, I encourage you to do it. It's yeah, pretty straightforward.